Christian Yard. Ayan, Christian. What's up?
Bili kayo sa auction.
I love Masunlok and sana. Siyempre, ang ating bata sa Bataan.
Hi guys. Dito tayo sa Bataan. Silang bias sa Suko.
Everything is in God's hands. And I'll just do my best. And I let Him do the rest.
Para sa Tarlac na kami dito.
Ginoong Kanlahi ka, di ba? Yan, Ginoong Kanlahi here. Ayan. So what do we expect with our Ginoong Kanlahi and now Mr. sa Filipinos Tarlac?
Same thing, you will expect greatness from me because I'm always willing to do my best.
Alright, so good luck to you, Mr.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, parang tense.
Nice.
Hindi naman naging-interviews. Top 4 yung sabaw ko sa iyo hospital. Limited access ba? Pogi nila. Mamili na kayo.
Ayan, piliin nyo na lang kung anong crown na ibibigay natin sa kanila.
Yes, pa.
Ayan, another batch of Baños and Cagayan. And hi, Sir Jay. Bye-bye.
Kaya nakapasabit kayo. Ayan. Yan magaling kumanta.
Alright, what's up everyone? So we have here Mr. of Filipinas Capiao Nueva Ecija. So how are you?
Good evening. I feel good right now.
Alright, and the coronation night is on October 22, right? So are you much ready for that big night?
We're very much ready. We don't have a choice and we're just very excited for it.
Alright, so how did you prepare for this competition?
We prepared physically, mentally, and also the things that we need in order for us to perform well. Just like our dance, we just rehearsed our production number.
Production number. Alright, good luck, Cecilio.
Thank you.
That makes you grounded, humble, or that makes you proud of yourself?
Well, that makes me proud of myself, especially hindi talaga ako napipili sa mga conflicts ever since. Pero lately, napansin ko parang mas umaangat na ako compared before. So, talagang nakaka-proud dahil sa mga performance ko.
Umaangat, that makes you grounded, or that makes you proud of yourself?
That makes me proud of myself, but also at the same time, that makes me also grounded. It makes me like really secure in myself.
Is being a happy
Yeah, we have Calix, Imos, and Puerto Princesa. Ayan o. Ay, iba.
Daming ex. Hindi mo na sa photo wall. Pwede ba? Mamaya. Or video na lang. Pasok na lang. Papasok sila eh. Doon kayo sa kanila. Kasi papasok sila eh. Ilan pa naman kapasok na kayo sa maiulit. Dito po. Saan po kita? Saan diretso? Saan diretso?
Sorry ah.
Alam mo talaga ang gusto
for good governance because I believe that we have a freedom of speech. So by having this voice, we can uplift our
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Sabi ko short lang eh.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, okay.